The cord is a 3-wire, 18-gauge cord. It includes the cord protector, and the wires have connectors pre-installed. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have a prong broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the handle cover. With the cover removed, now I can go ahead and remove the cord wires from the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. And I'll remove the grounding wire from the frame. And now remove the cord clamp to release the cord from the housing. Now I can install the new cord. I'll align the cord protector with the housing, and I'll pull the cord jacket so about 3/8 of an inch extend past the cord clamp. I'll secure the wire with the clamp. Now I can reinstall the cord wires to the switch. First the white, and then the black. And I'll tuck the wires into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the grounding wire, and I'll tuck the wires back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the handle cover. And that's all it takes to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.